People's Democratic Party (PDP) candidate for Orhionmwon East constituency for Edo State House of Assembly, Honorable Nosayaba Okumbo, don carry waka go Ugbeka ward for Orhionmwon local government area to continue the word-to-word campaign and yarn the people why them go vote for him for third term for Edo State House of Assembly. Liaison officer for Orhionmwon local government, Honorable Dike Newman Ugeagbe, thanked the people and the party members for their patience and how them take tanda with the party for the ward. A constituent mouth say make the people vote for all PDP candidates for the 2023 general elections.
Now good message now we bring come because all of us now the same party all of us did. We know how would they do one before, but this time we come as one family PDP, so that we will come give una the good message where still come. The election where they come for president, for House of Rep, for House of Senate, House of Rep, and House of Assembly. Now, no say election they come on the 25th of February. That one will be 25th of February. Now 3 people we get where we want vote for. The first one will be Atiku Akowa for president. And Akowa now our Peking. Now from Ugbenge. We know say now. So as our Peking, they say Peking wey get mama for kitchen where they cook. Hunger they beat up, no beat up. So this time we reach our turn where we say our Peking be vice president to Atiku. I bet that day we go come out, we go vote for them. I beg. After that one, we go vote for Matthew Ugbeka for Senate. Now in picture, now it be this man. I don't see as if I. Then after that one, we go vote for this our Peking again. Roland Asoro for House of Rep. That 3 of them, now we want to vote for on the 25th of February. Then on the 11th of March, that one had the House of Assembly election. Our Peking goes, our chairman go bring our Peking come out just now where we go vote for that day. Now only him we go vote for that day, 11th of March. Una don't fair do one before for him. You don't fair go 4 years. You can't go 8 years. Now the 3rd time they go so. Now una Peking.
Chairman for PDP for Orhionmwon local government, Prince Stanley Idoze, can present Honorable Nosayaba Okumbo to the people.
PDP. Ugbeka oye. Ugbeka oye. One of una Peking wanna know where we're here. Nosayaba, right Honorable Nosayaba, they with us here. So I want to bring them out. Make una help us send them back for the 3rd time. Now this one be Honorable Nosayaba Okumbo, Edo State House of Assembly. Make we walk around.
Commissioner for Communication and Orientation, Chris Nekari, can make the people put hand for umbrella to vote PDP weller for the states.
Pay and pay. Like my leaders they talk since. For ballot paper on that day, picture no day. Picture no day. Now only the symbol umbrella. The PDP umbrella. We don't know now. They work with that umbrella, they come since. So we want to reiterate that on that day, now that umbrella symbol, now we go look for. When they give us the ballot paper, we go scroll, come where we go put hand for the place where they next to the umbrella. Like my brother talked just now, people they will get with mouth. But we have to be strategic. Now, when we are getting as commissioner, we get to tell this government thank you. And we thank you not be saying because they make an commissioner. Because many things they where on Peking they fight for back to make sure say this ward, this local government say it gets up. Like this on a road. By this weekend, graders will come. Abudu hotel. So when I see them, we dey do our back. We dey talk about back because now our son dey there now. And for our son to take a respect for government house, for government, we now get to show support. Not say to me, but to the party, to the government will remember our son. So I come again, don't plead it now. Election they come. No, we are not to say quarrel day, quarrel no day. Whatever quarrel day, quarrel no day. On that day, the umbrella symbol. The umbrella symbol, no picture, umbrella. Who will go vote for that? The PDP umbrella.
Honorable Nosayaba Okumbo and say plenty things dey for the people, but them fit only enjoy them if they vote for PDP. He constantly talk how he bring light come the community.
This time last 4 years, I will tell they will stay here. We come back and make una vote for us. It really election day una vote the way we want to make una vote. I go once more thank una again. Why the thank una be say that time we una vote for us. It never really get special thing we will do for una. But this time, Ute they don't enjoy us more. And I sure say at the beginning of that enjoyment, I didn't start so. Why I talk like that, we say, work where person start. It good make you finish them. Ugbeka as a word. Now word where they pay me for body well. They pay me because for the 6 word where me they control and the big pass. They get about 20 or 22 communities. I don't know where to. But for me, one of the things where I value pass for life now be light. If you do what or if you do darkness, you don't get light. Get as it be. But I go thank una too for the way una take come and come do now outside of the whole story. Not be every community, not be they do that one. The time where this light matter come, no say when we not dare the same party, people go to talk different things. But for me, when I dare in the midst of my people like this, I go tell them nothing but the truth. If I not there here now, no say na APC is still there. Now him I know where that and I they lead us into the community. When we get the opportunity to bring this light to Ute, now if I call. So if I can't see one show, we'll be like say we go from here, get light, enter Ute, make light, enter Ugbeka. If I Dr. Dabi and about 2 others, they came, I took them to where that office. Oka was part of it that time. I will go work out, we go to that office, they tell us the office could provide this. Ute themselves will provide this. But actually, as we walk up, light can come Ute. In no which way they make person happy. That light will come Ute so. Not the only Ute go end though. Because I know say the men want to transform and make the thing circulate around the community. Like my chairman, don't tell me now, the new man. By the grace of God, that light one mover come out from Ute, enter the next community. The whole of Ugbeka must get this light within this year by the grace of God. Because time don't pass where person go take darkness. So I want beg una. Waiting they make those who the government get strength. Now be when they come ask for a vote like this, you vote for them. Because we they see them for paper. When we they talk, they will say, okay, you say make an extend light to this one, way in vote, make we see as it be. One of the things where they make people not get something like that. But the one that they vote for us for the last one, the thing sweet us well. Now it make us put I say we must get something. I want beg Ute, Ogbonge and Amastam Ugbedu. All these areas, we must make sure they get this light. Amen. But I want beg una Ute well. People are not talk say now una bring and reach here, una go tire, una go put a barricade for the road. No. If you don't get, you allow your next door neighbor get.
PDP chairman for the local government Konya Tori people say now only PDP if rescue Nigeria from the katakata when they do so.
As you can see, we are here at Ugbeka Ward this afternoon on our normal campaign timetable. Today is for Ugbeka. You can see the crowd there. You can see the PDP. is already a winning party, that this ward is already for PDP. With what you are seeing here today, or rather with what I'm seeing, I'm convinced that come on the day of election, we are winning this ward without fear. So we are still coming back here after today, sending our people out to come and be talking to them. The reason why they should vote for PDP. PDP is the only party that can rescue Nigeria as of today. So we need to let them know, because they are in the rural area. We need to educate them. The reason why they should all vote for PDP.
The campaign train constantly waka go another community for Ugbeka ward to continue the talk with the people, and Honorable Nosayaba Okumbo and other PDP chieftains call yarn the people Ogbonge things when PDP get for them.
Anyone waya bitota wa beri ne de kai ke kakabo ponwa ina mu ye gbe iwe ba ojo kin ge ha wa ere ne okin politics here wa blue no dey DG kai ke be decision officer we council kai also ni Imoya Niriaze from a president, those a House of Assembly. A president in a row, Osuni Mawani Atiku, the Akowa. A Senate, Matthew Ugbeka, Waya. House of Rep, Roland Asoro, Waon. Owiwa. Nosayaba Okumbo Nori Edo State House of Assembly. Owiwa Wanigine Yokowa Yati Eladiamba Yompari Maya. Nike de Ude. Yati Nosayaba Nike Nuwari. Yehu Wakao Yenakio. Yewari Toro Ekpete.
I will know you might have a walk on the wall. One of the jacket, my way. One fan. No, I will one away. Oh, my God, no, to put it not better. One of the jacket, my way, and 100 months. We have always enjoyed a lot to Syria. That a vote to work. Or Warusman on Mayu put Mayu. So, my guy, where even though when Wakwana, you might take your video. So, my young Yaraban road, I give you my imminent. You put myself by you to go. No, that way, if you also have one. You have a fair pen on you, you have to to allow. The man walk at it. Are you part of a run? Why you're a pen of running? PDP Mayari, APC Mayari. So, no why APC Nivena. Okay, yeah. If you are Sanike, near the Ango in Macon, okay, give it him. Emmanuel Marie them when Oda Emani vote in Nima. Emma vote in Nima, Mado Bellion. Here vote in Nima, not your man. No, ya siaki. Amel Magarebo, Amengarebo, the school of Magarebo. A project of Panama was 12 pataki. No, a day, not Liliana dinner or a total or in 7-1. Urupano dinner. Oresi, I have your bias at USA, who told you. So, a plan, Naya, where I said. Go, no. But just a little, I will be right now. Arioba, I will go to Swan. I am not sure where Urupa, 1 year with the Robert King. So, you talk about it from one at Yakamo, what to my
Liaison officer for Orhionmwon local government area, Honorable Newman Ugiagbe, calling Tori people say.
We are on our ward-to-ward campaign in Orhionmwon local government. We are presently in Ugbeka ward, Ward 3. And to We're here to campaign for our candidates, right from the presidency to the House of Senate, to House of Representatives and the House of Assembly elections. Both elections are coming up by the 25th of February and 11th of March respectively. We know in Orhionmwon that we are one united family as a party, under one umbrella that is enough to bring ourselves together. And as we are campaigning, we are liberating more people. More people are joining our folds, and I know that at the end of the day we'll come up victorious because we have credible candidates, people who have track records of what they have done in the past. So our people are well convinced that they are going to stand by them at any time, any day.
The campaign train comes to carry waka go another community where Honorable Nosayaba Okumbo, Chris Naikari, and other party chieftains come here and the people make them vote wisely and vote for PDP.
Why say Bazi Mayarioba? Then if can love my home. We might do me what the name where Arioba no recently. My own not change it. My own not change it. Arioba PC here. Tell you now. If no said my gonna change it, who do new it and yet anymore. My go a situation where my son Mayarioba at the center. If I do a go with me there. What me mean here? A petrol and setting them. If we are yet, I said about the video one. If you are born or no see a man where other can Arioba in the man doing you what. Now you boy a PDP question. The PDP now are what I swear. Arioba now 1999. Akona Magina. If you have mass or not. A petrol I bought there now about 350 naira. Again, 18 naira no. I'm sure we say 2,000 or 2,500. And then you were even a year 700, 800. So my setting the Arioba radio, if man I work in Mado in your work. Okay, my legislators, my Tinubu now over here. So Arioba or government in my take and executive arm. Yamana near 7 of her, any man and not. So while I was swinging on my river, I'm good, Kinore, and I'm going to Yagua. Okay, my fear of banning with you.
Yima always say, first of all, when I lead us, it's a not for waiting for us. Whatever you are, Kakabos they do, but the only time people do camera or river. Well, election is coming, and it's very important we vote strategically. Very, very important. First of all, we have to thank the state government. For a long time, Ugbeka has not had it this good. For the first time in a very, very long time, they've given your son a commissioner. So, Obiwa or a commissioner. A commissioner, it means many things. First of all, when you can take me and every man, so that I'm sure in the next 5 days to 1 week, the liaison officer, Namu Council, in time of Mr. Verio, or we are Mary Bulldozer, the other winner within the next 1 week. So that is within the next 1 week. But the Mibu, the Maya arrange, not the Ugbeka. Health center ma. The Dodoloy. Do meeting with the John Way, other leaders. I don't know. But do meeting in it. Very soon they will come there to fix it. Ukma, which is very important. Okay, Ekebade. Okwa Kedi Ande. Okwa Kedi Ande. No is a Kasewega, Maya Kubone Maya receive. In my own my extend for the next 20 years. I can't stop it now. The House of Assembly or Sevel Teme Nosayaba or Ogbonge. Maka vote in Okawe 8 years in there. But no area now all have benefit master. Because although I senior we were here in the House of Assembly. So okay, Ugbeka, especially a week, don't make sure say a vote no me or help push her over the finish line. My favorite senator, like senator, not a match we have to take it very seriously. Here, you have now line up a party of MIA, PDP. Mao now teach, now show solidarity, now show collaboration. That a way guy appreciated government Mayena and Ovima so Mao show appreciation. But Mao show appreciation, they will also need to do something for us, which is enough Ovima health center which they are going to start. So in when you come wire, especially our mothers, we appreciate what you are doing and we want you to please do more. Waya wese.
Upana na wa mutiana movio ere. Movio banare. Mowe nu wa onpa. Ina we ga swe bie bigbe. Ina we na mie we na dege gbe ho. Emi no manu no ma ayegbe ta. So on your see in manare PDP. Ma dey we a PDP otuno ma no. Ma yare PDP. Okay ajario. Kara eni ni wo. Kara na no re mana. Okiare be. Ega say ave ni be ni re do ma wa e. Wa ri boye kara. Ekara awa vio beni nuwa kwa vio boye kara kwa vio boye kara ni wana emona ya ga ila pone ado miewe ewe gana ayo we mi no be ma yesona na ikawo meno vio banare kwa ma 40 ni me enti mewa mu wa na wewe so wana erutimania wana ye di oboye awa mo na ekpeti ma ye we no be so ni nuwa. So ike ikpomu wa be wa ya ladia anijima wa wese na wo February ukina lana on the 25th edeyo kan so aze I the one in the do lie all the match na kan ya electorate mana no totana.
PDP Chamo for Orhionmwon local government Prince Stanley Duoze come present on people when the camp come out from All Progressives Congress enter PDP with the party symbol when the umbrella.
Mare bi mogbon wa gbe anure ma me mozian ina mudia dawe pete de ro mi ade ile obi wa ri no ke na pa e bara ni mare no na do ameri gbe ke na pa
The Ogbonge party leaders went under for the campaign for Ugbeka Award na Commissioner for Communication and Orientation, Honorable Chris Nehekari, former Commissioner for Arts and Culture, Honorable Semigi Eru, PDP candidate for Orhionmwon East constituency for Edo State House of Assembly, Honorable Nusayaba Okumbo, Chamo for PDP for Orhionmwon local government, Prince Stanley Duoze, Director General for Edo House for Abuja, Deacon Festus Osagbovo, Liaison Officer for Orhionmwon local government, Deacon Honorable Newman Ugiagbe, and other leaders for the party. Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News. Make una remember say your PVC that be your power. No salam give any politician on election day.